show you dynamic addition using small beads frame. My problem sum is 2645 plus 1679. Now let us set the frame. Let's start with units. 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 thousands. 1, 2. Let's add 5 units with 9 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have only 5 beads, so I need to borrow it from tens. 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 tens plus 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have only 5 tens, so I need to borrow from hundreds. I have borrowed 1 from hundreds. 6, 7. Now 6 hundreds plus 6 hundreds. 1, 2, 3. I have only 3 hundreds, so I am borrowing 1 from thousands. 4, 5, 6. Now 2000 plus 1000. Now let's see what is the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So adding 2645 with 1679 is equal to 4324.